Hi everyone, this is just an introduction to the standard form of parabolas and to the latus rectum, which is the line segment passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. And we're also going to see a directrix. Also, we'll talk about that. So basically, the information you need to know for a parabola, it's a lot like when you did quadratics. However, in this case, it's y squared. So the vertex, we don't have a center for parabola. So the vertex is 0, 0. Since this is positive, it opens to the right. The next video I'll be doing specific examples. The focus is A, 0, because it opens to the right. It's on the X. And the directrix, we'll talk about that, is X equals negative A. The LR, which is the latus rectum, is 4A. So let's look and see what this looks like. Okay, so here it is. This is the parabola that opens to the right. It's not a function, so that's why we don't call it quadratic anymore, quadratic function. Here is the directrix. A directrix is a line here. It's kind of like we did with the ellipsis and the hyperbolas, where we had two focuses, or the foci, but in this case we have one focus, and the directrix is equidistant, so the vertex is the midpoint between the focus and the directrix, and you draw a line. So this line is X equals negative A, and this is your A. This is A. Now your latus rectum is the length from your focus to the a point on the graph. And this should always equal 2A, and this is 2A. When you add that up, your latus rectum equals 4A. Okay? So that's kind of what we're going to do, and you'll get it better when we do more examples, but this is just an introductory video. The next one is the same kind of thing, but we have a different center, or, I mean, not center, but vertex. Your vertex is HK as usual, and then your focus, since this opens to the right, your focus is going to, let me erase that, opens right. Your focus is going to be on your H part, because H goes with X, so that's going to be H plus A, comma K. Then your directrix is just almost like another focus, but in this case it's a line, so it's just going to be X equals H minus A. Alright, so it's just like that, but it's a line instead of a point. And then your latus rectum is the same, equals 4A. So here's the graph. I have a new center, HK, right here. And I'll put it over here. So your center here is HK. Your directrix is going to be the same thing. It's going to be, but it's X equals H minus A. Because we're starting now at the X, so we're going back A. The focus is to the A here. Your latus rectum is the same thing. This is 2A, 2A. So when you add that together, you get 4A. Okay? Now, the next two are the kinds that open up and down. And these are the, if I rewrote this, this would be like saying y equals x squared. Except in this case, we have a 4A in front, because we have to find the latus rectum, and we have an A because of the things we have to find. So the vertex And this one is 0, 0, but it opens upward. All right, our focus, since it's opening up, it's on the Y, so it's going to be 0, comma A. And your directrix is kind of the same thing, but now it's Y equals negative A. And your LR is for lattice rectum is 4A. So here's a picture of it. Okay, here's my vertex. I go up A. My directrix here is Y equals negative A. We're going up A here, and this is the same thing. This is 2A, 2A. So your LR is 4A. And then one more. We have our vertex at H, comma K. It opens upward. Focus is at H and then K plus A. Remember when it opened to the right, it was H plus A. So now it opens up, so we're on the Y-axis. The directrix then is just Y equals this, K plus A. And your lattice rectum, again, is 4A. And here's a picture of it. Okay, this is your HK. This is your line Y equals K minus A. Your focus is K plus A because you're moving up and down on the Y, so you're changing that. Now the rest of these are kind of the same thing, but so instead of drawing these, I'm just going to write it down. Your vertex is 0, 0, but in this case it opens left. All right? And then your focus, therefore, since it's on the X, is negative A, comma 0. And your directrix is X equals A. So these two switched. Your LR is the same. And I'll just finish these up, and then we'll do some examples in the next video. Here, your vertex is HK. Same thing, it opens left to the left. And the focus is on the X, so that's X minus A. Remember when it opened right, it was H plus A. And therefore your directrix is X equals H plus A. And your lattice rectum is still 4A. Now these two are the ones that open, these are going to open down. The other one we did opened up. So your vertex is still 0, 0. Your focus, therefore, is on, since it's open, this opens downward. So the focus is going to be on the Y. So that's negative A. Therefore, the directrix is going to be Y equals A. And your LR is still 4A. And then for the last one, we have our vertex is still HK. This opens down. It opens down because of this negative. The focus is on the K part. So that's going to be HK minus A because it opens down. The directrix is just this, but with a plus. So that's going to be Y equals K plus A. And your LR, your lattice rectum, is 4A. And that's all. The next video will be examples, simple examples, to show you all four kind of versions of these. Have a nice day.